You how to get those coveted golden notes on Instagram. If you've seen golden notes on other profiles and want to learn how to get them for yourself, stick around and let's dive in. First things first, let's clarify what golden notes are. Golden notes are a feature in Instagram's notes section that appear as a golden highlight. They used to make your notes stand out from others. Here's how you can get them. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now open Instagram and go to your direct notes. Tap on note to create a new note. Now design your note. When you're creating a note, make sure to add engaging content. You can use emojis, text, and even some creative formatting to make your notes stand out. Features like golden notes might be part of a new rollout or an exclusive feature that Instagram features offers to certain accounts. So, regularly check Instagram's official blog or help center for any new announcement. And to get a gold, you need to write gold and share, and you may get a golden highlight. But if not, be patient as this feature might not be rolled out in your region yet. And that's it. Getting golden notes on Instagram is all about keeping your app updated, creating engaging content, and staying active. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.